Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Civil Tactics, and this is your host Apika on the background. And this is yet another video of me talking about calculator tips and tricks. So in this video I'm gonna make your life easier by telling you 4 to 5 calculator tips. So first of all, I want to start with how to store any numbers inside a variable so that we can use it later for our calculation. So first of all, let me write a random number. Okay, 68. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. 68 divided by 99 equals to plus root 2 equals to, so this is a number, so you can just hit this ST to get the decimal of that fraction and the rational number. So you can just store this number inside a variable so that you don't have to write it down in your copy, in your notebook. You don't have to do that. You can simply store it by just hitting this button STO and then keeping it inside A. So it will show something like this, as you can see here. So yes, and then if you want to store something, like I want to store root 99, then root 99 is 3 root 11, so I can store this into a different variable, so it will show something like this. So they are already stored. So you can also see here there will be store button when I click it. So see here there will be store button, so it will show if I store anything. So I have already stored those things, so I can just recall that. So I can just do alpha A divide by alpha B, which are those numbers. These are not a random variable, there are numbers inside this, and then this is gonna calculate us whatever the answer is. It's 0.2112. Sometimes you might be confused, or sometimes you feel like, okay, I don't trust this calculator. Is the value really inside these variables or not? Then we can just go to shift and then it's STO to check if those variables, those numbers are actually stored inside these variables or not. So we only stored for A and B. We can also choose these other variables to store our numbers. So yes guys, please write it down. This video is for lazy people, and this video is made by a lazy person, so I'm not gonna put it in the video in text format, so you can just write it down whatever I'm saying right now. So yeah, this is, now let's go to tips number 2. So here I will teach you another trick to do engineering format. For example, if you want to write 6 million and then you do 6 into 10 to the power what? This is 6 million. So it's coming like that, but you want it into 10 to the power 6 here as well. If you click S, it's gonna do nothing. So if you do ENG, so it will change back to 6 into 10 to the power 6, so that like whenever you do a bigger solution, a bigger math problem, then you don't have to worry about these things, because sometimes we might get confused while writing these things out, while even writing all the zeros. So this is very helpful for doing large problem solution. So okay guys, let's move on to our third tips and tricks. So it's a very simple trick to know improper function. So let's just write a random number, which is a mixed number. So 88 divided by 99, so it's 8 divided by 9, and then we want it to be like improper function. So we can just do that by just going to shift st. Okay, let's do 55 divided by 4, shift st, so it's coming. So sometimes those number might not have an improper function like this, so it will not show up, but this has it, so it's showing 33 3 by 4. So let's go to trick number 4. Here I'm gonna teach you how to reset your calculator, because we have stored so many numbers inside our variable, and if we want to store another number inside this, they might have the same number inside this variable, so we don't want to create any confusion. Or sometimes, you know, when you go to exam hall, and then like sometimes there might be checking, and then if they find out that there is like numbers inside this variable, they might feel like you are cheating, so you should not do that. So always reset your calculator before giving any exam. So yeah, for that you can just go you can just press this shift button, and then you can go to 9, and then you can just go 3, which is initialize all, and then equals to means yes, so you can just do yes equals to, and then this is reset. Yep, let's go to AC key. All right, let's go to our 5th tips, which is also called bonus tip. So in this, I'm gonna teach you how to find an unknown variable from 3 known numbers. So for example, if we have 9 divided by 13 equals to 14 divided by x, so something like this, then we can find the value of x by simply going to menu, and then we look for ratio. So I can see the ratio is c, so we just click to number c, and then here we have to find, we know a, b, and c, we have to find x. This is also used, this ratio formula, this is also used while calculating the unknown variable in similar triangles as well, or any ratio related problems. So we have now a, b, and c. So let's press 2, then let's write a is 9, b is 13, c is 14, and the only unknown is x, so we hit equals to, so it's 14 by 9, which is the answer. If you want to get in decimal, just click st, and 1.55 is your unknown variable, is your number. So that's the answer. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. If you like this video, please comment. If you like this video, just share it with your friends, family, anyone, 5th grader or 10th grader, anyone who is studying maths right now, because they really need to know this calculator tips, because this is very cool. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.